Check out these Instant Pot ribs cooked in apple juice. Now, no kidding, folks. These turned out to be the best Instant Pot ribs I ever made. Well, hi, folks. It's Mike with Kitchen Tips Online, the place where the smartest people on YouTube come to learn new kitchen tips and tricks to help them save time and money in the kitchen. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot ribs using apple juice. And I'm not kidding, folks, when I said in the opening that these are the best Instant Pot ribs I ever had. Also, I'm going to show you a technique that's used in restaurants every day, a way that you can caramelize the outside of your baby back ribs without using the oven, without using the broiler, and without using the grill. Also, I'm going to share with you my secret ingredient, a combination of spices that's available in one container at any grocery store. Those folks who watched our video on how to make frozen baby back ribs in an Instant Pot already know the easiest way to remove the membrane from the backside of the ribs. For those who didn't see that video, this is the easiest way to remove the membrane on the back of baby back ribs, or any kind of ribs for that matter. Rinse the membrane with hot water because that will loosen the fat that acts as a glue holding the membrane on. Then you can grab it with a paper towel and pull it right off. And as you can see, our baby back ribs have a nice layer of fat on them. Whatever you do, don't remove that fat, because that will really enhance the flavor of your ribs. Now, you don't have to write these ingredients down because we will display them on your screen along with the cooking time and the measurements before this video ends. We're going to start with apple juice, then we're going to add some liquid smoke, some brown sugar, and my secret ingredient. Then we can mix everything up and drop in our ribs. Then we can put the lid on and verify that the vent is set to close. Next, we can set the control. Make sure you use high pressure. And when the time is up on the control, you can do a manual pressure release. At this point, you would normally put your ribs on a rack, lather them with barbecue sauce, and put them under the broiler. Putting them under the broiler helps caramelize the sugar in the barbecue sauce and enhances the flavor of the ribs. If you're a fan of the old TV show with Tim Allen, Home Improvement, you know that this is how he would caramelize the barbecue sauce on his ribs. This is a torch that you can get down at Home Depot, Lowe's, or most hardware stores, and it uses propane. And propane is the exact same gas that you use in your gas grill if you have a gas barbecue grill. And this is what you end up with: delicious Instant Pot apple juice baby back ribs. Now let's talk about the seasoning that I use for this recipe. And believe it or not, I discovered that chili seasoning has everything in it you need to really enhance the flavor of your ribs. You can find these chili seasoning packets in your grocery store. For those of you who want to get a large size, we have them on our Amazon affiliate store on our website. And we'll put a link to the store in the video description. Well, there you go, folks. Now you know how to make Instant Pot ribs with apple juice. That is simply delicious. And if you think we did a good job on this video, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Thank you very much. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, well, I recommend you subscribe. Thanks for watching.